Hey guys, so here's a little quick video. This is a 2006 325 XI. I just picked it up. Needs a starter. I just put in a fiberglass bumper on it. But here's a little trick. Taking the intake off. I see that everyone has a problem breaking that vent case hose because it's a pain in the butt to get to back there. So what I did is made this little handy dandy tool here. Then I went behind it and hooked up on it, then grabbed with my other hand, squeezed it with this on the bottom, and it came right out without breaking it. And now I'm just moving it off to the side, not taking it completely out to remove the starter. So yeah, maybe that'll help someone. All right, if you guys like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.